Hello, my beautiful magical beings. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing my channel, for giving lot of love to the channel. Thank you so much. This is your bonus love reading for Feb 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it does not resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. Okay, a very happy birthday to all my Aquarius who are having birthdays on these days. You can let me know in the comment section so that I can wish you personally. So I have already uploaded your main reading, your extended reading, and you can have a look on that too. So the message for you today is that if you are holding on anything on which you need to let go, Aquarius, you need to release that thing. You need to release on anything, release it. Okay, let go anything on which you are holding on so tightly, and you need to learn let go. Okay, and the second message is that you need to use your intuitions. Okay, your third eye is activated right now and your intuition is trying to guide you, so listen to your intuitions and move in a forward direction. You just need to go with the flow. So let's start your bonus love reading and let's see what are the messages for my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius, for Feb 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius, which I need to deliver. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Children and epiphany. Seek clarity. Okay, seek clarity is here. Okay, and there is children. Know that your children are protected. If you're having kids around you, Aquarius, if you are mother or father of kids, learn that your kids are protected, they are safe. And the other meaning of this card is that your inner child is protected. Okay, your inner child is protected and safe. You are safe. Know that your inner child is protected, and if you are having kids, then they are safe and protected. Think big for your future, Aquarius. Okay, because you are the unique one. Okay, whatever you will think, you will manifest in your life. Potential, you are having a potential. Okay, so think big for your future. Here is the message for you. Dolphin, don't worry, be happy. Okay, you do not have to worry at all. Think big for your future. Do not worry, be happy, believe in your dreams. Okay, there is dreams here, so maybe there is a message while you sleep in your dreams, and other message is that you are having beautiful dreams in your life. Follow your dreams, believe in your dreams, because you just need to think big for your future. If you're having big dreams for your future, just you need, because you are having a potential in you, so you have a potential. Trust your potential, trust the divine, that divine has your back, and whatever you are having a dream of, that dream will going to fulfill in your life. Then there is celebration, let go and have fun. So some kind of celebration is coming towards you, so you need to let go anything on which you are holding on and have fun. Okay, don't worry whatever situation is there, you just need to let go and have fun. There is some kind of celebration which is coming for you. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages for my lovely Aquarius. Let's see marriage. Some of you are getting your marriage proposal here. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? Give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? Okay, positive cracker, positive energy surrounds you, love, joy, and good fortune awaits. See, I told you, cracker celebration is coming towards you. Some kind of celebration is coming towards you. So, because positive energy is surrounding towards you, Aquarius, then there is proposal, a romantic or a business opportunity is indicated. So you will soon receive an proposal, whether it is romantic proposal or whether there is, business proposal. I told you that some of you are going to get your marriage proposal, and if you're not getting a marriage proposal, then it is your business proposal, okay, a job proposal, but some kind of proposal is on its way. Then there is moon. Pay attention to your intuition at this time and move ahead confidently. I told you in the beginning that your intuition is trying to guide you. You need to uh, pay attention towards your intuition, because right now you are very intuitive, Aquarius. Use your intuitions, pay attention to your intuitions, and move in a forward direction with your confidence. Then there is star and the dragonfly. Hard times are over. Look forward to an abundance of happiness, enthusiasm, and positivity. Whatever hard times are there, they are going to end. There are new hopes and new desires which are coming for you, Aquarius. And there is dragonfly. Have confidence during this time of great joy, renewal, and connection to the spirit. Okay, beautiful message is here. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the Osho Zen Tarot deck. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius which I need to deliver? Give me the messages. You are not alone, Aquarius. Universe understands, divine understand, and you have to also understand that universe know that you exist. Okay, and even you have to understand that if you need to release any burden if you are carrying on, and even you have to understand that you are not alone. You are having divine with you. Okay, divine is there with you. You are not alone. Let me see what are the messages which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius. Give me the messages. What are the messages? Wow. Okay, you will find any. Okay, it wants to come out. Okay. Okay. You will find a breakthrough, Aquarius. You will find a breakthrough. Whatever you are going through, you will find a breakthrough for that here. And the person you are dealing with, or the connections you are dealing with right now, you have spent many past lives together. Okay, there is a past life card here. So you both have spent many past lives together. That's the message I am hearing. Then there is sharing. Share your talents with the other person. Try to inspire others. Okay, work on your creativity. You have to share your abundance. Whatever you are having right now, try to share them with other peoples as much as you can, because as you share your, you know as much as you share with others, you will receive back, Aquarius. Okay, that's the law of attraction. Whatever you put into the universe, that will come back to you. Then there is suppression, friendliness, and intensity here. So maybe you are, feeling very suppressed by overthinking the things. So do not overthink again and again. Okay, do not trapped in your mind thoughts. And there is intensity here. So there is a lot of intensity which is coming for you. Maybe you feel very, lot of intensity of energy inside of you. So try to use that intensity in some kind of creativity. Okay, you can use that intensity in creativity here. Again, bottom of the deck, I'm having celebration. So some kind of celebration is coming for you, Aquarius. There is a guidance. See, again, that is, and in your main reading too, I get this message that some kind of tower movement is happening for you. This is Thunderbolt tower movement, divine intervention. Okay, Divine is breaking those things. There is unexpected changes which is coming for you, and those changes are not bad. These changes happen so that you can make necessary things which are necessary for your life. And see, again this understanding card has come, about which I was talking to you. Okay, universe understand, divine understand you. Okay, you are not alone, because you are feeling, some of you Aquarius, you are feeling like you are alone in this world, but and you are alone fighting in this journey, but you are not alone, Aquarius. Divine is here, guidance is here. Okay, you are having guidance with you, you are not alone. There is someone around you who is wearing a false mask. Here politics card is here, who is wearing a false mask. Be aware of this energy. Okay, there is lover, there is success. Here the success is coming towards you in your love life. The success is coming towards you, Aquarius. You will find a breakthrough here. Can you see breakthrough? And the success is coming towards you. There is some kind of celebration which is coming for you, but be aware of anyone who is wearing a false mask in around you. There is someone who is wearing a false mask, so be aware of that. You are not alone, guidance is available for you. And if you feel like that, you can also talk to me wherever, whenever you want to. Okay, you can let me know in the comment section. 1122 was the recording reading time. You can let me know in the comment section. See, it wants to fly out and come out. Angel of strength, keep your strength with you. Okay, Aquarius, keep your strength with you. You are not alone. Divine is here. Okay, universe is here to guide you. Guidance is here. Everyone is here to help you out. Okay, let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius which I need to deliver. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? Right now you need to rest and rejuvenate yourself. Bottom of the deck I'm having yin and yang both. Magician, indecisionness, and the sun. Wow. Women holding a heart, healer of the ages, and second chakra, Archangel Ariel. See, I told you, use your creativity, because there is a lot of intensity which you are feeling right now here. So because that is why, because your second chakra is activated right now. Okay, your second chakra is activated, and right now you are feeling very intense, and a lot of creativity is there. So use your creativity and use that creativity, use that energy into creativity. Do anything which you like, Aquarius. Then there is healer of the ages here. So healing is coming for you. You will heal yourself. Here I'm having rest and rejuvenate. Again, you need to take care of yourself. You need to rest and rejuvenate yourself. Okay, and there is woman holding a heart again. Okay, so gender is not specific here, but there is someone who wants to give you heart. Okay, and again let me see more. There is someone who wants to share their heart. Wow, wow. Cornucopia, this is a best card. This is a best card. This is the luckiest card in this whole deck, which I find it out. 11. Okay, this is the card of abundance of everything, Aquarius. Okay, abundance of love, abundance of happiness, cornucopia, abundance of money, abundance of everything. And this is what you are getting right now. Maybe there are adjacent possibilities which you have to make for your life, but there is here. Then there is deceit. See, I told you, there is someone around you who is wearing a false mask. Okay, there is some deceptive energy who is around you here. There is someone who is wearing deceptive, there is someone who is wearing a false mask here. So try to avoid this energy. Be aware of this energy. Deceit is here, and there is caring connection. So caring connection, maybe in your caring connection there is wearing a false mask. There is someone around you who is trying to give you this, wearing a false mask in your caring connection. Who is jealous here? Because you walk away from them. So this is someone from your past with whom, from them you walk away from this connection, and they are jealous for with you, Aquarius. They are jealous with you. Okay, they are jealous with you because you walk away. Clarify me deceit. Please help me out to clarify why there is deceit. Yeah, you were having a family dynamic with this person. Bottom of the deck, I'm having woman holding a coin. So maybe this is someone who is financially stable, grounded. Okay, but there is a world card here. You are completing a cycle with this person. Either you are having a family with this person, or you are committed to this person long period of time. So now they are jealous because you walk away from them. They are jealous. They are jealous because they want you to make a happy family life with them, but you walk away. You left this person and you move in a forward direction. See, bottom of the deck again, I'm having man holding a heart here. So there is a pair here. There is a power couple here. So there is new love who is coming towards you, Aquarius, or maybe they are already in your life. That can be a possibility, but someone from your past is not happy that you have moved on. Okay, they are not happy at all. They are feeling very jealous. How might Aquarius walk away? Okay, let's see. Well, thank you so much, Energy Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. What are the messages? Yeah, see why. They are finding that why Aquarius did not come back. That's the message I'm getting. They thought that you will come back towards them, but you walk away and you move in a forward direction, and now you are happy in your life. Let's see. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius which I need to deliver? Give me one more. Okay. Manifestation and inspiration. Okay, so first card for you is manifestation. If you are manifesting, Aquarius, write it down on a paper clearly what you want to manifest. That is the first step to manifestation. Okay, be very honest and clear about what you wish to manifest in your life. Now write it down on paper. Manifestation step 1. So that is the manifestation step 1. You need to write it down on the paper so that you can write it down clearly and you cannot send the mixed signals to the universe. Okay, then there is inspiration. Be prepared as you will soon receive a visit from the fairy of inspiration. Come dusk or dawn, she will call upon any time. So inspiration is here. So thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. I love it. Let's add some messages from the grace cards. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius which I need to deliver. Strength. I told you, you need to keep your strength, Aquarius. Okay, keep your strength. See, keep your strength with you. Keep going, Aquarius. Keep going. Face your fears. Every challenge is a blessing in disguise, a gift that makes us stronger and more conscious and ultimately more alive. Keep your strength, Aquarius, and keep going in a forward direction. Keep your strength. That's the message here which I'm getting for you. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful message. Today I'm going to add one message or two cards from this super attractor here. Okay, this is an affirmation which will be helping you out in manifesting abundance, okay, in your life. Let's see what are the messages which are important to deliver to my lovely Aquarius. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius? What is the message? Okay. I got 4 cards for you. When I am in a state of appreciation, I am vibrational alignment with my true love nature. That's true. You need to appreciate everything, whatever is happening in life, in your life. And when you are in alignment, you will appreciate everything, whatever is happening around you. I don't have to fear my fear. I can use it as a way to get closer to my love. Choose love over fear, Aquarius. Okay, you do not have to fear at all. That's the message I am here having. I am in awe of the magnificent guidance that is available to me. See, I told you, you are having a guidance and you are not alone, and you have to be say thank you to the divine, thank you to the universe, because you're having a lot of guidance which is available to you. That is the message I'm getting here. Then I'm having, I release time and let the universe show me what to do. Okay, I release time and let the universe show me what to do. So you have to release and surrender yourself to the universe, so that universe show you what you deserve, Aquarius, what you need to do. Beautiful. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from the healing mantra. What is the message? One more. Expressing free will. My choices determine how brightly I shine, and you have a full right to choose, Aquarius. Okay, and your choices determine how brightly you shine. Okay, so express free will, express freely, do not fear at all. Then there is unraveling codependency. Only I have to feel about my choices. You need to release. If you're having any kind of codependency, this is a time to reveling codependency. Only I have to feel about my choices, feel good about my choices, and that's right. Bottom of the deck, I was having welcoming surrender. See, this is the same message which I was getting for you. There is no problem, only destiny being revealed. Okay, there is no problem, only destiny being revealed. Thank you so much for giving the messages, beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from the crystal spirit, 1 or 2 cards. Let's see what the crystal spirit wants to tell you. 2244 was the recording reading time. Let's see what are the messages crystal spirit wants to give Aquarius for Feb 2021. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius for Feb 2021. Rhydonite. Okay, Rhydonite. Let's see what does it says. This says Rhydonite is the crystal spirit. Okay, harmony in relationship, easily connecting with others, generosity, receptivity, discovering hidden talents to share with others. Okay, relationship help us to reach our destiny and discover our purpose, and people will come into our lives to our angels on earth, offering love, encouragement, and resources for building the lives we want for ourselves. Now is a time to connect to others in a spirit of generosity. For the Rhydonite spirit is here to help you form healthy partnership that will benefit everyone. Allies can be invisible or come in unexpected guises, so keep your eyes open. Listen that little voice inside nudging you to reach out and extend a hand to someone you feel a connection to. This person might have invaluable ideas or solution to offer you, or be the inspiration that helps you to find the courage to move into unfamiliar territory and express gifts you may not have known you had. The conscious universe works through people, so think about connecting today. If not to an old friend, to someone you love, then to someone you have been too shy to approach. Heal the belief that you should do it all yourself. We are in this together. We are meant to work in partnership, exchanging our gifts to better the whole world. Beautiful message. Thank you so much, Crystal Spirits, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. I love it. Let's see what is the message from the native spirit, and then I'm going to close out your reading. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius? Medicine bag. One more. Spirit of air. Okay, so these are the two messages. Medicine bag and spirit of air. Let me read it out for you. Medicine bag. Gather your resources. Vast inner power is growing in your life. Step back and let it grow. There are times to shine brightly for all to see, and there are also time to choose carefully who sees your true self. Choose wisely. Do not make hasty decisions. If it does not feel right, hold back. You are protected from any less than positive outside influences. Your capacity and potential are growing in leaps and bounds. Okay, so beautiful message is here for you, Aquarius. Then there is spirit of air. This card says clarity and expansion, perception of life is emerging. You are being advised to see life from a higher perspective. Clear out any mental clutter, breathe, all is well. Do not be concerned, the cobwebs are being cleared away. Communicate your truth, take care of details, pay attention, and don't let things slip through the cracks. Take time to hear the truth of others. Spirit is whispering to you. Open your mind to see a situation in a new light. Beautiful. So these are the two messages which I got for you. So this was your bonus reading, bonus love reading for Feb 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all my Aquarius all over the world, wherever you are. Take care of yourself and see you soon.